Hello there, and welcome to Nice Work, Pal. My name is Jim, and we are here today at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and we are going to Dinoland. Dinoland USA, to be specific, not to be confused with Dinolands in other countries. We're going to explore everything there is in Dinoland. We're going to see Dinosaur the ride. We're going to check out what there is to eat and drink back there, other attractions, rides, games, and even the Boneyard where we can dig for some fossils. Let's go take a look.
As pass holders, we need to get our magnets. It's back here somewhere.
It sounds like an attractive offer. It's a magnet joke.
Trilo-bites. It's not open.
It is not, but it looks like they have some good snacks. Buffalo chicken chips.
Dinoland USA. Donald's Dino Bash.
Yeah, apparently this is where Donald throws a party like every day.
Which way do we go? Dino-Rama?
This whole Dino-Rama area, it was not here when the Dinosaur USA, Dinoland USA officially opened. It was an addition. It was kind of, I'll put my opinion in here, hastily thrown in on a lower budget. It's got this TriceraTop Spin. There's carnival games, which is a little unusual for Disney. They went with that whole theme. And then they used to have the Primeval Whirl, which was kind of a standard mouse coaster. The only catch was the cars spun, but they have since removed it, and now it's just blocked off for future enjoyment. The TriceraTop Spin is a ride, so I'm gonna ride. Alright, using the lever to go up as high as a dinosaur will go. This is like prehistoric Dumbo. Still fun though.
World's largest pin trading truck. Okay.
I don't know how I would get that to stay on my lanyard.
Pass holder magnet distribution back here. Made a friend, Jim?
I did. He helped me get some magnets out of the store. We got 3. They're apparently old annual pass holder magnets.
Nice.
For people that may have missed them.
I think that one's my favorite. It's all like glittery and sparkly.
It is sparkly. I think I kind of partial to the orange bird.
Okay.
But I'm very excited. 3 at once. That's not the typical score for these things. Normally 1 magnet per person.
We must have it overstock.
This is a special little pass holder treat. Very excited about that. I'm gonna cover my fridge.
They have some pretty unique benches out here. Looks like a bunch of kids just like colored these ceramic dinosaurs and they set them in these benches.
That is cool.
That is really cool. It's the Welcome Center. They usually have characters here. Dinosaur. Ooh, scary.
This, when it was first put in, was called Countdown to Extinction. And then they changed the name right around the time that the movie Dinosaur came out.
Oh.
Since the dinosaur in the movie looked pretty much like the dinosaur in the ride. It was good synergy. Too bad it wasn't a huge hit. But it's still Dinosaur. It's still a cool ride. I'm still gonna ride it. I'm still gonna make Dawn ride it with me.
Nope.
Oh, come on.
I don't like this ride. Look, it's dark and scary. There's dinosaurs in there.
Scarosaurus. It is very scary. A dinosaur may come back with us on the vehicle.
I'll deal with that later. 5-minute wait time. That's not bad.
Not bad at all. Before we go back in time to see dinosaurs, we go through the Dinosaur Museum. Doesn't look like we'll be spending much time in this museum.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
The Dino Institute welcomes you.
Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
Dinosaur is a lot of fun, but it is very dark and bumpy in there. But a good time. I was the only one in my car. That was crazy. And just when you think you've gone off the ride and through the gift shop, you go down a trail and you have to go through another gift shop. Welcome to the Dino Store. I do like this gift shop. I like this train especially. It's just driving around like the dinosaurs did in the prehistoric days. I'm pretty sure they used fossil fuels. Here's one we missed on the way in before. This is the Jewelosaurus, encrusted with jewels.
Looks like he had some wine.
Prehistoric wine.
Oh,
He's definitely old enough. Oh wow, I didn't even see him down there. It's baby Godzilla. So we're here to play Chester and Hester's games. Games of chance, games of skill, you decide. Speaking of chance, take a chance on Nice Work, Pal. Hit the subscribe button. You know you want to. Plus, I hear it's really good luck.
That is adorable. Carnivores. That is one giant dinosaur.
That is a big dinosaur.
Do you want to play any games?
Let's play a couple games.
Which kind do you want to play?
We can play that squirt gun one.
Okay.
And maybe the whack a dinosaur one.
Like a dinosaur. All right. Ready to go?
Yes. So this is much like what our car looks like when we pack and head over to Disney World for a trip. And there's the kids breathing down my neck asking for some food. And this is exactly how fast I would be moving on I-4.
Or any road.
Or any road.
That goes to Disney.
All roads lead to Disney World eventually.
Don't be a fossil, Jim.
This is one of those funhouse mirrors. You can tell because you can't see any of my big ripped muscles in this mirror.
Hello, how you doing? So in order to play in your baggage, you have to have a ticket. And tickets can be purchased over at gate doctor there.
All right, so Dawn, you're going to be number 10, and I'm going to be number 11.
Okay.
And we'll see.
All right. So all you have to do is aim for the target.
Oh,
You don't have to worry about pushing any buttons or pulling any strings because the water comes out automatically. And there are only 2 of you, so we're only playing for a small prize. It's a small Mickey, Minnie, and TriceraTop.
Oh.
It's okay. The more players we have, the bigger the prize will be.
That sounds good.
Are you guys ready?
We're ready.
All right, we're gonna get started in 3, 2, and 1.
game is rigged.
And would you like a small Mickey, Minnie, or Triceratops?
I'm gonna do the Triceratops.
Alright. Here you go.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
Look how cute.
We won a prize. We're so good at these games. All right, Dawn got lucky on that one. So now we're gonna play Whack-a-Packy, what?
Whack-a-Pack-a-Cephalosaur.
Whack-a-Pack-a-Cephalosaur. Whack-a-Pack-a-Cephalosaur. Rolls right off the tongue. All right. This looks suspiciously like a game I know.
Which ones do you want to play? I'll do this one, I guess.
All right. Wait. Is that's the whole damn. That's
Each
true.
dino you whack will be 10 points. You are going to need 150 points to win. Just use those mallets and that mallet only. Not your hands or your fingers, because these dinosaurs like to bite. Since it is just the two of us, we will be playing for a small Mickey and a small Minnie. So whenever you guys hear that bell, you could start.
All right. I got Mickey Mouse. This is from the Dino Institute. And here's his dino.
Only cost us $24.
At least we didn't go away empty-handed.
Look at this guy. Shiny teeth.
Yes. I don't know how he brushed his teeth with those short little arms.
I don't think he could reach. Maybe. Want to go check out the Boneyard, Jim?
I do.
Find it today?
Yeah. So every day they must rebury all the bones, right? Because
I don't know.
every day. Let's go take a look.
First thing you notice is that the floor is like nice and cushy. Like
It's cushy. It's going to be
Like
really
a
hard to dig through, though.
like a yoga mat. I wish the whole park was like that.
I uncovered this fossil. It's the discovery of a lifetime.
You can go that way to the slides, Jim.
I hate to say it, I might be a little too large for some of these slides.
Uh-oh. Okay. Let's not do it.
I don't want to get stuck in a tube.
No. We didn't bring our hard hat either.
I got my hard hat today.
It's nice and cool in there. This is a nice, cool, shady spot.
It is. And you can also learn about dinosaurs.
Very nice.
What's in here?
I don't know.
Found the secret door. Uh-oh. I think we caused some trouble.
Uh-oh.
Alright, so I might be a little too big for it, but that is kind of a cool tall slide.
It does look kind of narrow.
Yeah.
They should just have those kind of tarps all over the park.
I know, right? Alright, that's our look around the Boneyard. I dig it. So the one thing I don't understand is this Dino-Bite snack shop. If this is for dinosaurs, why did they make the window so low?
There are small dinosaurs.
Okay, the big ones, and then the big ones eat the little dinosaurs that have the creamy filling.
It's for the snack size.
All right, Dino-Bite snacks have hand-scooped ice cream and waffle cones. Ooh, and a Dino Big ice cream sandwich.
That looks adorable.
It does. Are we gonna go ice cream first, or are we gonna get a little food?
Food first.
Food first, okay. So Restaurantosaurus, here we come. I think we're gonna try a couple of prehistoric delights.
Pterodactyl terrace.
Pterodactyl pteris.
Oh, thank goodness.
So this is Restaurantosaurus inside. It's a pretty obvious quick service counter. This restaurant has been many things over the years, including sit-down character breakfasts and a McDonald's. But today, it's just quick service. We're here at Restaurantosaurus. I forgot for a minute. Restaurantosaurus. We've got our own private dining room.
Right next to the...
Right next to the bar. Borosaurus. We'll head over there later and see what that's about.
Okay.
But for right now, we've got some food.
What do we got?
This is the Cobb salad. The Cobb salad we ordered without the blue cheese, and it has green goddess dressing and some chicken on it. Doesn't look quite as good as, say, I don't know, the brown derby Cobb salad, but this will do. We also got this little hot dog.
It's giant.
It is giant. It is chili cheese, sure to give somebody heartburn or an upset stomach. And I am up for the challenge.
And it comes with?
Came with some French fries, prehistoric potatoes. So for dessert, we have this. What is this? It's a cupcake.
It's
got bugs on it.
It's oh my goodness. It's Bugs and Grubs cupcake. It's chocolate cake, cookies and cream, cheesecake filling with chocolate frosting, gummy worms, and white chocolate ladybug, and matcha cake crumbs.
The finest ingredients.
Yeah.
It sounds delicious. I'm looking forward to the cheesecake filling. That'll be good.
Yeah.
And we also got this bee sipper.
Yeah.
There were a lot of bee sippers.
It looks bigger. It's bigger than I thought we were actually gonna get.
Yeah, it's a good size. Now they gave us a cup, so we don't have to mess him up today. We can do that at home. But he's got a good straw in him, so he can fly.
Hope he fits in our suitcase.
Oh, I know. Collecting a lot of random junk today.
It's a long way home. How is it, Jim?
That is a good hot dog. It is large.
It's very large. It's got like chili on it, like bean and meat chili.
It is it seems like mostly meat chili.
Okay.
And of course the
Plastic cheese.
the plastic cheese, as they call it. But that is awesome. Tastes great. It's kind of, the chili's kind of on the mild side, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna, come up on me too fast.
We'll find out later.
We will, but it's delicious.
All right, I think we should dig into this guy.
Yeah.
It looks very dark chocolatey. Very, very dark chocolatey.
What's he look like in there? Full of stuff. Frosting. It's supposed to be cheesecake filling, right?
Chocolate cheesecake.
Ooh. Delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, taking a bite.
Let's give it a try. Not too much frosting, which I like.
That filling is delicious.
Very cheesecakey.
It is chocolate cheesecake.
Chocolate cheesecake.
The cake is much like you would expect. It's kind of that crumbly chocolate cake they use whenever they make like worms desserts. But it's good. That filling is, I just can't get over how good that is.
That's delicious.
Yeah.
Restaurantosaurus Lounge. That way, Jim.
I like the Restaurantosaurus Lounge. I particularly like the primordial booze. That's the delicious drink.
Looks it. I think anything multi is good.
I think so too. It says vacation to me.
Yep.
All right, so we opted not to go in the lounge because it was kind of crowded in there, but I've been in there once before, and it was a cool little out-of-the-way place. If you get it while it's not too busy, it's a nice little quiet getaway. I can maybe even insert a shot of that. I went there with Molly on a recent trip. But our lunch was good. I loved my hot dog. The cupcake was delicious with the chocolate cheesecake inside. That was really good. Cobb salad, Dawn? It looked I guess, you know, when you go someplace that specializes in burgers and dogs, that's what you get. And the bee sipper, well, he was an impulse purchase. I don't know how much we needed that. The rest of the area was a lot of fun. We had one major ride with Dinosaur, dark thrilling ride. TriceraTop Spin for the little kids is the other ride, and carnival games. That's kind of what's over here. One drawback of, oh, and the Boneyard, forgot to mention the Boneyard. Nice play area for kids. One thing that's I don't like about Dinoland is it's kind of a dead end in the park. Like, you kind of got to go into Dinoland, do your thing, and then leave it. It doesn't cut through to anywhere, much like some of the other areas do. Like from Africa, you can go to Pandora or Asia and kind of shortcut around. Dinosaur is kind of off in its own world.
Yep.
Yeah, but it's a lot of fun. It's a don't miss area. Well, we hope you enjoyed coming along with us as we explored this one area. And if you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share our videos. We're an up-and-coming channel, and we could use your support. So, just like to say thank you to Dawn for helping and being behind the camera. Thank you, Dawn. How'd I do?
Very good.
All right.
Nice work, pal.
Thank you.
You want me to
camera.
Shoot you?
Don't shoot. Oh, then I'll be extinct.
Let me take your best shot, Jem.
I don't know what that means exactly, but.
Cheese.
And now I have to find Dawn and let her know that I lived. Is my whole head in the picture?
Yep.
Is his whole head in the picture?
Yep.
Excellent.